Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Swapnil Meena from class 10th from school Angel Paradise Public School. So, I am here today to speak on global warming. So, I made this topic within 10 or 15 minutes. So, it's gonna be crack and also raw. So, please don't mind it. There are lots of environmental hazards in our earth, on our earth, like land degradation, many kinds of pollution, and so on. But here today I am here to share my views on global warming. Global warming, as we know, it is the rise in temperature of Earth due to release of greenhouse gases, which is caused by human activities.
Greenhouse gases. Can
Yes.
you explain this?
Greenhouse gases are like carbon dioxide and some poisonous gases, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane, etc.
These
So,
these are the greenhouse gases.
yes, sir.
And because of these gases, the global warming is increasing every day.
Yes, sir. And the concern has grown due to industrialization and the humans' greed at modernizing their lifestyle. Humans are continuously progressing, and due to this, new factories, industries, cities are emerging. So that is also depleting natural resources, and major causes of emission of greenhouse gases are constantly burning of fossil fuels and burning of wood, along with it, and in homes we use AC and coolers which contain chlorofluorocarbon, which
Sorry, cooler also contains.
sorry, not cooler, fridge,
Right. Okay.
which contain chlorofluorocarbon, which cause ozone depletion.
Okay.
So we know that ozone is a protective layer present in stratosphere which protect us from harmful UV rays of the sun. So what happens actually when these gases are released in atmosphere? They tend to absorb solar radiation and stay in atmosphere for decades, and this cause the global increase in temperature of whole earth. This is also known as greenhouse effect. When temperature rises, the glaciers present in Arctic and Antarctic region of Earth melts and gradually increases the water level of whole Earth. When water level of Earth increases, it leads to submerge of some islands, like example Maldives Islands, which is present in south of India. It is a very famous tourist spot, and it is now submerging under the sea every year. We have to stop it now. So what we can do, we can use electric vehicles. Government has also started electric vehicles, and it is so important to stop global warming because researchers say that in few decades in future, global warming can change the whole climate of earth permanently, and also this change will be irreversible if once happened. So there is no silver bullet, so we have to come all together to stop this. We have to conserve our environment and protect our resources, and also we have to consume less energy, and we should not waste electricity and all the energy, electric powering of appliances. Yes, because it consumes electrical energy which is produced by burning of coal, which and coal produces carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide increases the global temperature. So we must avoid these mistakes, and to protect our environment, we constantly progress toward green energy and environmental friendly energy. So, sir, this was the topic I made within 15 minutes. So
Actually, I have a question. I have a question for you, and the question is that if we want to aware people to if we want to reduce the global warming, so what are the steps we should take? Just elaborate this.
yes. So firstly, government has started many campaigns and schemes to awareness of local people, and since early age we are being taught in our schools to conserve nature. And sir, from early ages, since early times, we are being taught in our schools how to save environment. We are also being taught this at home, and government has also ran many campaigns. So sir, we can reduce global warming by reducing our consumption of energy.
At your level, like
My level.
how can we, like, you have your friends, how can you make them aware, and what should they do to decrease the global warming?
So sir, firstly, generally we use paper and pen to write, and sir, paper is made from wood. So sir, we must not tear paper and waste paper, so that paper manufacturing industries will have to make less paper, and paper is made from trees. So sir, trees will not be cutted, and we have to plant more and more trees, because trees consume carbon dioxide and produce oxygen for us, which is life supporting gas. So sir, that is the basic level.
Okay, that is the basic. Next stage, start. Okay, very good. Next.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Yes.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, you can.
What do you mean by greenhouse
Take
effect?
this.
What do you mean by greenhouse effect?
Greenhouse effect. Okay. Greenhouse effect is gradually rising of temperature at global level. When as I told you before, as I told everyone, when greenhouse gas is released in atmosphere, they stand solar energy, solar radiation, and stay in atmosphere for several decades, which cause increase of temperature. So this is called greenhouse effect.
Anyone has questions? Do you have? See, so yes, continue. Start me. Stand up. Give your introduction.